Curry leaves, scientifically known as Mariah Koenig, are a staple in Indian cuisine and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. These small, green leaves not only add a distinct flavor and aroma to dishes but also offer a myriad of health benefits. Modern science has begun to uncover the reasons behind the traditional use of curry leaves, validating many of the health claims associated with them. This article delves into the health benefits of curry leaves, supported by scientific evidence. Nutritional profile of curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in essential nutrients and bioactive compounds. They contain carbohydrates, fiber, calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, copper, and vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, and folic acid. The leaves are also a source of potent antioxidants, including flavonoids, alkaloids, and glycosides. 1. Antioxidant properties. One of the most significant benefits of curry leaves is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting the body against oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that curry leaves possess strong antioxidant activity due to their high phenolic and flavonoid content. These compounds scavenge free radicals and prevent cellular damage. Kumar et al., 2010. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to various diseases, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. Curry leaves have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties. Scientific evidence. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that extracts of curry leaves significantly reduced inflammation in animal models. The study attributed these effects to the presence of carbazole alkaloids, which inhibit pro-inflammatory enzymes. Tuntipopipid et al., 2009. 3. Antimicrobial activity. Curry leaves have demonstrated antimicrobial properties, making them effective against a range of pathogens, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Scientific evidence. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology revealed that curry leaf extracts exhibited antibacterial activity against several strains of bacteria, including Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. The study suggested that the antimicrobial activity was due to the presence of essential oils and alkaloids. Nishanthini et al., 2012. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for preventing and controlling diabetes. Curry leaves have been traditionally used to manage diabetes, and scientific studies have supported this use. Scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Plant Foods for Human Nutrition showed that curry leaf extracts significantly reduced blood glucose levels in diabetic rats. The researchers concluded that the hypoglycemic effect might be due to the stimulation of insulin-producing cells and the reduction of oxidative stress. Vinathan et al., 2004. 5. Cholesterol and heart health. High cholesterol levels are a major risk factor for heart disease. Curry leaves have been found to help manage cholesterol levels and promote heart health. Scientific evidence. In a study published in the Journal of Medical Food, researchers found that curry leaf extracts significantly reduced total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol in rats fed a high-fat diet. The study suggested that the lipid-lowering effects were due to the presence of manambine, a carbazole alkaloid. Kesavan et al., 2010. 6. Digestive health. Curry leaves have traditionally been used to aid digestion and treat gastrointestinal issues such as diarrhea, constipation, and dysentery. Scientific evidence. A study in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine found that curry leaf extracts exhibited significant anti-diarrheal activity in animal models. The researchers suggested that this effect might be due to the inhibition of intestinal motility and the antimicrobial properties of the leaves. Balakrishnan et al., 2012. 7. Liver protection. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and other essential functions. Curry leaves have been shown to offer hepatoprotective liver protecting benefits. Scientific evidence. Research published in the Journal of Pharmaceutical Biology demonstrated that curry leaf extract protected the liver from damage induced by paracetamol in rats. The study indicated that the hepatoprotective effect was due to the antioxidant properties of the leaves, which reduced oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Kale et al., 2003. 8. Hair and skin health. Curry leaves are often used in traditional remedies for improving hair and skin health. They are believed to promote hair growth, prevent premature graying, and improve skin texture. Scientific evidence. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that curry leaf extract promoted hair growth in animal models. The researchers attributed this effect to the high content of antioxidants and nutrients, which nourish the hair follicles and scalp. Pradeep et al., 2005. 9. Cancer prevention. Curry leaves have been investigated for their potential anti-cancer properties. The bioactive compounds in curry leaves may help in preventing the development and progression of cancer. Scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Chemistry found that mohanine, a compound isolated from curry leaves, induced apoptosis, programmed cell death in human leukemia cells. The study suggested that curry leaves might have a role in cancer prevention and therapy due to their ability to inhibit cell proliferation and induce cell death in cancer cells. Errol Selvin et al., 2006. 10. Weight management. Curry leaves may also aid in weight management by influencing lipid metabolism and reducing body fat accumulation. Scientific evidence. Research in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry demonstrated that curry leaf extract reduced body weight gain and fat accumulation in rats fed a high-fat diet. The study suggested that the anti-obesity effects were due to the modulation of lipid metabolism and the reduction of oxidative stress. Sampad et al., 2010. Conclusion. Curry leaves are more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. They are a powerhouse of nutrients and bioactive compounds that offer a wide range of health benefits. From antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to blood sugar regulation and heart health, the scientific evidence supports the traditional uses of curry leaves in promoting overall health and well-being. Incorporating curry leaves into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to harness these health benefits. Whether you add them to your curries, soups, salads, or smoothies, curry leaves can enhance the nutritional profile of your meals while contributing to your long-term health of your meals.